Hello class! Today we will be talking about how to use a semicolon to connect independent clauses and why you would use one. First off, where would you use a semicolon? If you are putting these two independent clauses, call me tomorrow and you will get your answer then, together, you can use a period or a semicolon between them. Here's what it would look like if you used either method. You may be asking, why would you use a semicolon? Take a minute to watch this Khan Academy video that will give you insight as to why you would use a semicolon. As the video explained, semicolons are used to connect two closely related independent clauses. So how do you punctuate with a semicolon? A semicolon is placed where a period would go between two independent clauses, but notice that the word following a semicolon isn't capitalized. This is because a semicolon combines independent clauses into part of the same sentence. Let's look at some sentences and try to decide if they use a semicolon correctly. In this sentence, what comes after the semicolon isn't an independent clause because there is no verb. You can only use a semicolon if there are independent clauses on both sides of the semicolon. This sentence does have independent clauses on both sides of the semicolon, but notice that now is capitalized. The word following a semicolon shouldn't be capitalized, so this is also incorrect. This last sentence is correct. Two similar independent clauses are linked by a semicolon, and the word after the semicolon isn't capitalized. Now that you know the basics of semicolons, I want you to write 3 sentences about different topics that use a semicolon. You will be turning this in next class. I hope that this video was helpful. Remember, just keep writing.